See me wey talk say I don tire for stew. Like in less than 24 hours.
Mama,
Yes, my love.
I want coconut on TV.
Okay, I'm coming. Like in less than 24 hours. On Sunday, I cooked ofako, that's banga stew or banga soup. And today is Monday. Monday night, I don't go bring that stew from fridge. Me wey talk say I don tire for stew. Just to tell you how much I cannot do with that stew. Less than 24 hours, I'm already craving for stew already.